Hello student, my name is Anupriya Singh Suman, Assistant Professor in CSE, SIRT, Bhopal. We are discuss about HTML basic tags. So outline is that HTML basic tags, unclosed HTML tags, nested HTML elements, HTML text formatting. So there is basic tags of HTML. The basic tag is HTML is that heading tag. Any document start with heading. You can use different size of for your headings. HTML also has a 6 levels of heading which use elements H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. While displaying any heading, browser added one line before and one line after that heading. There is our example. We can start with the HTML body section declare. H1 is a heading tag, H2 is also a heading tag. So there is H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6 is a heading tag. Then body section close, then HTML close. This is our output. There is paragraph tag. The P is tag offered a way to structure your tags into different paragraph. Each paragraph of tag should go in between opening tag and closing tag. So this is our example. We are start with HTML body section. P is a paragraph. This is paragraph. P also a paragraph. This is another paragraph. Body section close, HTML close. This is our output. There is unclosed HTML tags. Some HTML tags are not closed. For example, BR and HR. BR tag, BR stand for break line. It is break the line of the code. Then HR stand for horizontal rules. This tag is used to put line across the web page. Centering contains. There is a center when we can use a center tag to put any content in the center of the web page or any table. For example, there is our example. We start with HTML. We declare head section. HTML head section is declared with title, creating center example, body section, paragraph is declare a paragraph center, and another paragraph is also declare this is text is the center paragraph. Center tag is closed, body section is closed, HTML close. Then nested HTML element is that HTML element can be nested. This means that elements can contain other elements. All HTML document consist of nested HTML elements. So nested element is HTML body H1P. There is our example. Body section start. H1 is a heading, P is a paragraph. This is our output. Empty HTML element. HTML element with no content are called an empty element. BR tag define a line break and an empty element without a close tag. This is our example and this is our output. HTML text formatting. HTML formatting is process of formatting text for better look and feel. HTML provides us ability to format text without using CSS. There are many formatting tags in HTML. These tags are used to make text bold, italic or underlines. In HTML, the formatting tags are divided into two categories: physical tags, logical tags. Here we are going to 14 HTML formatting tags are available. Formatting is a list of HTML formatting tags. Different type of HTML formatting tags are available. So first of all, we start with bold tag. Bold tag is used for bold the character. That means HTML bold and strong formatting the element. Then we can start the HTML element is a physical tag which is display text in bold format, bold font without any logical importance. If you write anything with bold tag, element is shown in bold letter. This is our output. This is our example with output. Italic tag. Italic tag is HTML-I and EM formatting elements. The HTML-I element is a physical element which is display and enclose the content in italic format without any added importance. If you write anything with an I, then italic is closed element is shown in italic letters. So there's our example. HTML start body section as start. We can declare with paragraph. We use our italic tag is I. Write your first paragraph in italic text. Italic tag close, paragraph close, body section close, HTML close. This is our output. And HTML EM tag is logical element which is will display the enclosed content in italic format with added semantic importance. This is our example. HTML start, body section start, title, formatting the elements, head section close, body section start is that H1 is a heading, P is a paragraph, and EM tag also used for italic tag. Then our output is that HTML mark formatting. If you want to mark or highlight a text, you should write the content with mark. This is our example. HTML start, body section start, P is a heading, P2 is a heading. I want to put a mark, that format is mark. Then mark tag is close on your face. Then H2 close, body section close, and HTML close. This is our output. Underline tags. If you write anything with U and U tag close element is shown in underline. This is our example. Body section start with P. P is a paragraph. Use the underline tag. Write your first paragraph in underline tags. Underline text is closed, then paragraph is closed, body section closed, HTML closed. This is our output. Strike tag. Anything write with strike tag element is displayed with strike through. It is thin line with cross the statement. Then HTML start, body section start. We declare with P. P is a paragraph. Strike, write your first paragraph with strike through. Then strike close, then paragraph close, then body section close, and HTML close. This is our output. Superscript tag. If you put a content with super tag element is shown in superscript, means it is a display of half character height above the another character. So this is our example. Subscript tags. If you put a content with sub element, it's shown in superscript, means it is display half character height below other character. This is our example. Delete tag. Anything that puts when delete del tag is display on tags, delete tags. This example is that HTML start, body section start, paragraph P is a paragraph, hello, delete tag is used with del, then output is that. Insert tag is used with INS. Anything that put with an insert tag is displayed as an insert tag. So this is our example. Large tags. If you want to put your font size large, then the tags of the rest of the tags put contain with big and big. It is our example. This is our largest tags example. Smaller tags is that if you want to put your font size smaller than the rest of the text, then put the content within the small tag. It reduce one font size, then provides is 1, previous is 1. So our example is that HTML start, body section start, P is a paragraph. We use a small tag with small. Write the paragraph or smaller format. Paragraph small tag is closed, paragraph is closed, body section closed, HTML closed. This is our output. Thank you.